nothing given about the transportation, so we can imagine that we are traveling by a van. So because the distance is quite large from Ganjanpur to Lake, it is 30 kilometers. So it is forced that we are coming by van.
It is
So ladies, we are going from Ganjanpur to Manpur.
So let's go decide what is the aim.
Must be
So our
bus.
aim
So the group has been divided into subparts. Basically, 3 members.
Let's first discuss
Let's
the
first
aim.
aim is to reach the
Our aim is to reach the Manpur by
Manpur by
1
1
p.m.
p.m.
Let's discuss what are the problems. The first problem is the injured
This
person.
is the chemical in the factory, so there is no
No, the first
preservation is the second
Third is the
and the
stop
third
the
stop the train and the vehicles, and fourth is to
documents,
drop the
and
person in the
fourth is
chala.
the help the person to
Reach the chala.
So we can combine first and fourth problem together, because the injured man should also be admitted in the chala, because there is mention of PHC, and we can take the distance of lake to chala is 3 kilometer, and it is a kacha
It is not 3
rasta.
kilometers, it is approximately 1.5.
So I think we can go by a bus only.
Bus can take 2 kilometers.
So we can take that injured man with the help of the bus only to the Rampur village, sorry, to the Gunjanpur village, as it would take only 20 minutes by the bus, as the district road is
No,
also
actually,
there.
chala is closer and there is
2
a facility.
kilometers,
So
and
we
in
take
10
the
minutes
person
we
to the
can
chala.
reach over
And then
there.
going back to the Gunjanpur.
So
I think it is a
our
very
first and
disturbed
fourth
road. So by bus it
That
will
is
be
not a disturbed road. There two-wheeler can easily go. It's not a
One
bus.
man is there to
It's a
yes,
it's a normal daily
but
road.
it is not a metal road, so it would be more dangerous for the man who is
as a man usually can go by land, and it is 2 kilometers. So by 10 in 10 minutes we
In 10
can
minutes
reach
we'll easily reach.
Chala, and then we all come back to the lake and go to the Kacha Rasta junction of factory. From there we can
drop
divide
three
it
people.
into two groups of 5.
We
I
can
think
drop
the
three
Chala
people
village
and
must
they
not
go.
be having a proper treatment, as proper hospital is required for that profusely.
Actually, we are going to
PHC have all the facilities
Yes.
of teaching and giving first aid to an injured person. He is not unconscious.
Okay, temporarily it can be given at the Chala village, but yes, for the permanent treatment he must have to
So okay, we can
by
take
injured
action
person
and along with us.
Yes.
Okay,
No,
from
that would be unnecessary aid, because there is also services which are
I think the priority to the profusely targeting man should be given. Next the chemical factory must be introduced in our
there we can drop the
priority.
people and they can go
As
there.
a group of
by
people,
foot they can go there, and it is around 1 kilometer, so it would take
With the help of the district
20
bus.
kilometers they are going on foot, and they have to reach there by 10
I don't think
before
so they
10 a.m.
need to go by their foots, because it is a district road, so there must be a buses.
No,
which must be
because
going
chemical factory is closer than the VA post, so we have to take bus to the VA post. Because from Saharanpur train will reach at VA
Going to
post
chemical
by
factory by foot or
9:50.
by taking lift will be
By
equally
9:50.
beneficial for us, because we have to reach there before 10 a.m. because
10 a.m.
the temperature will
rise by
10
hours. Yes.
So we have that.
So
Even if they go by foot,
in starting
we
it
will
is
reach in 20 minutes.
In starting it is 8 a.m. So by 9.
So by the time we reach the
9:30
chemical
we will
factory,
reach the
one group
Yes.
must reach to
chemical
the
factory and
VA
refill
post
the
with the help of that bus. So by reaching the VA post, we must inform to the lineman who can stop the train in between or at the station nearby any
We will
village.
inform the person who is available at the post.
Yes, and he can
But at the
and he
post,
also
the
can
speed of the
inform
train is
the
given
village.
and it is 80 kilometers. So
No, it is 40 kilometers per hour, and the distance
We
is
need to
quite
reach the VA
long.
post before 9 a.m. Before 9 a.m. and we
2 hours.
definitely reach. As we have the bus, it will easily cover the distance
Yes.
within
Within 2 hours.
within 2 hours it will
Yeah,
not
within
take
2 hours. Yes.
from
Within 2
Saharanpur
hours.
to Ram.
Yes, from the lake side to the VA post we can reach in 2 hours.
So at finally, then after solving these 3 problems, we had decided that the 4th problem will be solved within the first one.
But
As
those
we
people
are
should
going
be
to the
covered
Chala
and
village.
within the same railway line there must be a railway
And
station
after
where
solving
they should
all
head
these
towards the
3
police.
problems, we all meet at the junction of Kacha Rasta and we'll move to the Manpur and reach Manpur by 12:45 p.m. so we can attend the ceremony by 1 p.m.
Those people should be called, and at the railway station they should be hand over to the police as well.
I think the RPF police, or we can say the police which is involved for the railways, is responsible for this, and we are going to inform at the VR post only with the help of that lineman only. And at the last, we all had decided to reach at the junction point at the chemical factory and the VR post way. So by 12 p.m. We reached at the junction, and we all had reached
Enough
successfully
time
at
to
the
reach.
market.
Okay. Full conclude. Those who have not spoken, let's have their views. चलो अभी सुन लिया ना इतने
Views
नहीं
बताओ,
चाहती
क्या बताना?
So
Okay.
we are the group of 10 people,
Okay.
and as we prioritize the problems, the first problem is to give the first aid to the that injured man, the manager of factory. Then we have to. The aim is to reach Manpura by 1 p.m. and so after giving the first aid, we have to reach Chala village so that we can with that man whose bike is punctured. From Chala village we can get the
Chala is 2 kilometers, so we can take the van and the man whose bike is punctured and the injured man and take them to the PHC. And after admitting them, we can go back and it will take around 20 minutes, approx 8:20 am.
I
We
think
will
chemical
get back.
factory is near, so two of them where we will go to the chemical factory to inform about the
I think at the
They
VA
refill the
post,
chemicals to
about
the
the chemical.
restore the
Chalo,
product.
Pooja.
Yeah, they need to refill the chemicals.
Speak a little louder.
And they move to the VA post. They all meet at VA post and hand over the employees who had stolen documents to the
Okay, common discussion.
हाँ.
Okay.
So we are group of 10 people and we are at the lakeside at 8 a.m. and we got to know that the factory manager is injured and there are 4 problems. By 10 a.m. we have to refill the chemicals because there could be casualty or explode can take place if we don't refill the chemicals over there. And by 9:10 we have to reach at VA post and take back the documents from the workers so they don't sell them. And 4th problem is there is a person with a punctured motorbike and he want to go to the Chala village to meet one of his relative. So we will combine 1st and 4th problem together. We have a van. So 4 of us go to the Chala and the distance of Chala is around 2 kilometers and within 5 minutes we will reach at Chala. So at 8:05 a.m. we will reach at PHC in Chala and admit the injured manager at Chala, and then we will go back by 8:10 or 8:15 because 5 minutes can be taken to admit that person or giving him primary first aid. By 8:15 we are at the lake and rest of people get into the van from there, and then we will reach at this junction and the distance is around 5 kilometers. Within 10 minutes by 10 to 8:30 we will there, and from there we will divide into 2 groups. 5 will go to the chemical factory and refill the chemical, and then 5 in the van go to the VA post. We will reach the VA post within 20 or 25 minutes, and by 9 we are at VA post and stop the workers, and then we will inform the RPF over there and inform them and get them arrested. And by 10 we will at this junction, and the rest of the people from the chemical factory also meet at this junction, and from van we will reach to the Manpur by 12 and attend the ceremony which is going to take place at 1 p.m. Thank you.